king bad is 61 foot, so there's a lot of boat that's being built. Above the galley and the dinette area will be a sunroof, which as I can show you, there is wiring as well as the Thinsulation material and foam spray, but the wiring supports smart glass in the roof. So smart glass is a material which is clear until you switch a switch and it turns the whole of the glass black, thereby giving privacy. So I'll come onto the galley in a moment, but as I've turned the camera around, I'm now facing the electrical part of the boat. As you can see, we have units to port and starboard, steel units which contain 8 lithium batteries, 4 on each side. Now, to keep these lithium batteries at a constant, there is a ventilation system. There is a fan with ventilation to keep the batteries at the right temperature and to stop them getting hot. But during the colder weather, if the boat's unattended, there is a heating system which is down here, just tucked away. You can see the brass top and pipework there, and that's either side of the steel units, and that will keep the temperature constant. To starboard, we have an inverter, which is a lot bigger than we usually put on boats. I'm now going to pass you over to Chris Williams, who knows more about this system than I do.
Hi, you okay? So we've got 4 either side Pylon Tech lithium batteries. At the whole system's 48 volt. It's going to have, which we haven't got at the moment, a hybrid a propulsion system with a Barris Shire engine. So this side has got the DC supply and the AC supply up here. We've got these 2 DC to DC converters which step the voltage down from 48 down to 12 volts. Both of those are capable of doing 30 amps each, and then that goes up to the DC, of which is 12 volt. We've got 48 volts being produced by the batteries, and then we're running that through an inverter, 48 volt inverter, which is a 10 kilowatt inverted power with 140 amp battery charging for when we're plugged into the mains system. These up here are the isolators for the bow thruster and also the stern thruster, which are both in. They're going to be worked on a singular joystick control, which we're looking forward to using it actually and seeing how we can control the boat, holding the boat against the bank and against lock sides. Okay. So the front of these steel boxes will have a toughened glass front to them. They will be completely sealed from the main part of the boat in their own areas. Good. Okay, so at the moment in the engine bay we haven't got a great deal in here. We've currently, the stern thruster is in, which we'll get a video of that in a moment. Heating systems going in here as well, the diesel boiler, which we haven't currently got. So propulsion is provided by a hybrid set up with a Barris Shire 50 horsepower diesel engine and 48 volt motor. So the motor will either propel the boat, or when the diesel engine is running, it will be used to charge the batteries up, the Pylon Tech batteries. So this is the cabling for controlling the bow thruster. It also has remote as well, so you've got the aerial in here. Did you get my finger then? So you've got the aerial here for controlling the bow thrusters if you're on the lock side, or if you're falling in the water and you're trying to control it from the bank. This is the bow thruster control. We've got the Morse control to go in here. There's quite a bit of fitting to still be put in. That's the consumer unit for the shoreline connection. Plus we've got the stern light is going in there as well. So we've got doors that go across these openings, that's the both sides. Plus we've got some inset steps as well. We've got a lift up hatch at the back, and it'll have standard steel doors on there. And then we've also got a tent box going on the cabin top. So this is the style of window covering. We've got a blind on this side. I think the fabric's actually going to be grey. And then on this side we've got fly screen. We're quite looking forward to that. Stove barn. It's a stove barn, solid fuel stove at the bottom here, as normal, with a pie oven at the top.